everyone, Odin here, and I've been using the Notion note-taking application for some time now, and it's one of the best applications that I have used as it relates to taking notes from my to-do list, budgeting. I also have a whole setup inside of Notion for my YouTube channel for video ideas that I have to doing are already completed, but with Notion latest update 3.0, they didn't just release new updates, they released a whole new AI agent that could complete actions for you. And with the rise of AI and functionality, you can do so much within the Notion application, from updating the information that you already have, creating database for better functionality and productivity. I have been playing around with this software and I want to come here and share what this application could actually do. So what is an AI agent? Artificial intelligence and an AI agent are very similar but also different in some aspects, where the AI agent is a little bit more enhanced. For artificial intelligence is good for research and generative tasks such as writing, and an AI agent is where it will look at the overall environment. For an example, the notes that I have in Notion, and it will give me suggestions where I can enhance my workflow and create database that will help me grow my business.
So when you open the Notion application, if you're downloading the application for the first time, you will need to sign in with your email. So if you have a Gmail account, you can just sign in and create an account with Notion, and this is what you will actually see. You would not see these private sections because you have a whole new account, but once you go over here, you will see the home page, which shows you everything here that's going on that I already created. Good morning. And then if you go down to the Notion AI, this is the section that allows you to create any database that you would want to create within your Notion application. That could be just to personal notes. If you want to have like your finances together, you want to have track your finances, you can create a whole new database within this section. And for example, like my YouTube channel, basically what you will see here. So if I click on this section that shows YouTube, you will see my whole page here that I have for my YouTube page. But let me get into the video because enough of me talking. I already created this section. To create a new one, all you have to do here is just click on the plus icon to add a page, and then it will create a new page for you. You can give it a name. You can just say budgeting, right? And you just save it, and then you will have a new page. But I don't want to create a new budget page, so I will just go ahead and delete that because I already have a YouTube content tracker. So basically what I want to do here, it can show you the different tables within this section that I already create. But if I don't want to have the information directly for myself, I can go ahead and just remove that. And basically I can just go here and say that I have 3 videos that I have to create, right? And I would list them. For example, I'm going to name, say, headset from nothing company type, and that's the first one. And microphone. So if I go ahead and click on this section, say micro. So once I create microphone from Morano, so company, so that's another company as well. Just an example, just 2, and I should complete these videos 2 weeks, add it to my database, and then I click enter. And then all it's going to do now is just create the information for me. So you see it's just generating everything for me. And then all of a sudden, what you will see it will do is just autofill the information right into the YouTube content tracker. So basically now you can see that it autofilled the information from me. You can see the microphone from Moano, the company's name, the date that it should be completed. And you can see over here is saying the status. So once I click on here, I can say idea, I'm scripting it, I'm also editing, and then publish, which is also important so I can know and I can follow the timeline for creating these videos. Is where I created travel section for countries that I visited. So if you're a person that plan to go on vacations or anything like that, you can create a database for the countries that you visited, when you visited them, how long you stay there, and how much money you actually spent when you go to that country. So tell the agent to create a section or had a section for Panama. So here add Panama to the table, and I will visit this on January 31st, 2026 for 2 weeks. I plan to spend 1,600 US dollars. Just for example, and I just click on enter, and basically what this will do, it will do the same thing that it just did with the video content creation idea. Panama is already updated there, stated how long I will be staying. $1,600 will be added to the amount of money that I plan to spend, and the duration will be for 2 weeks. So my YouTube channel, for example, right? This is where I have my overall video ideas that I have coming up. So for example, I plan to do a record a TED set from nothing. So this would be a new video that I will do. Once I click on this section, it open up here, and basically what I can come into here and do is that talk about the unboxing section for this section. So I want to say scripting, recording, voiceover, and editing, and I also want to have B-rolls. So B-rolls are those shots you see, overlays, stuff like that. So that's what that's for. And once I go here, it says that I'm due to do this video. So at any time, I can just go here and drag this video and put it right here, set doing. So when I start it, I can just start it there, and then I can just drag it over here to say that done. And that's how you can create anything here. If you want to add, you can add many sections. I should record a video for my own microphone, and that's a new video that I will be doing as well, which is really important. So as you can see, you have the idea. I can update the status of this. So here I can click that, here I can click do it to do done. So those are some things that you can do here. Instead of manually dragging it to a section, I can say doing, and it just move over to that section. I can click done, and it's back there again. So that's some of the ways that you can actually utilize this section. But in the marketing PR here, you can do so much within this section. You can add an icon if you want to add an icon to this section. You can also add a cover section if you want to change it to like have a wallpaper at the background. You have gradient, different color. You can also upload your own picture as well, which is really cool. And you can also have, and if you also go back to your to-do list, you can also have this section here if you want to just have a to-do list. So you go into the grocery store and you want to write down a to-do list for the stuff that you want for that from that store. You can just like write it there, so you don't go to the store and picking up stuff that you actually don't want. And one of the cool thing about this application is that you get to have the Notion mail. So the Notion mail in this section is that you can just sign into your Google Mail or your email, and once you click here, it just take you directly to your email, and that's really cool within this application. So you have everything within the app that you need. And here you also have the Notion calendar as well. So you connect your email to the Notion application and it pulls up your calendar. And one of the best part about this as well is that it's connected to your phone.
You can download the app from the App Store and the Play Store if you have an Android device, and everything that I uploaded are updated from my computer is updated to the phone app as well, because it's connected to the same email. And you can see here from my YouTube page, everything that I added is actually there. So you can see it's easy for you if you want to go ahead and add information. If you are on the go, if you're somewhere, if you come up with an idea, you can just go ahead in the Notion application, go to the section where you want to add the notes to whatever section you have here, and you can update and add that note to the section. So that's it. That's everything you need to know about the Notion application. Let me know if you're planning to try out the Notion application. If you already have been using the Notion app, let me know what your experience. And also remember to leave a like on this video, share with your friends, your family, your sisters, your brothers, everybody, so that they could check out the Notion app as well. If you are interested in my wallpaper pack, you can also check them out down in the description. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.